In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can duplicate pages. For this example, we're gonna use the meal plan and grocery list page, just right here. Since we only have one in our planner and we have 6 weeks, if you were to want to duplicate this per week, all you have to do is touch this icon right here and then decide if you want to add this page before this one or after this one and click current template. That would be a way to duplicate it. And if you touch the 4 squares, you're gonna see them one next to each other. They will have their dates on it. Another way for you to duplicate it, if you were to want it right before each week, it would be to touch the 4 squares, select the page of choice that you want to duplicate, touch this down arrow, and then touch duplicate. Another way you could do this is just once you have duplicated it, you can just drag it around, and using your other finger, you can put it right there at the end of the week or beginning of the following. It's really up to you. That's it. So when you go here, you're gonna be able to see one is right here before week 1, so you can put it right after the tab. See, week 1, we slide meal plan, and then we touch week 2, we turn the page, meal 2, and that's it.